Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your maths teacher of class 3rd. Open your book. Open your page number 9. Exercise 1.2. Write the numbers in words. The first two are done for you. These numbers in figure and these numbers in words. The first is 8999. First you mention the place value. Start from right hand side. 9 is unit. This 9 is 10 and this 9 is 100 and 8 is 1000. Now we will convert into inwards. Start from left hand side. 8999. The second is 7990. First you mention the place value. 0 is unit, 9 is 10, this 9 is 100 and 7 is 1000. Now write in words 7990. The third is 6899. Mention place value. 9 is unit, this 9 is 10, this 8 is 100 and 6 is 1000. Now write in words 6899. Now I will tell you your assignment in copy. This is your math copy. Do your work in copy 1. Draw margin line, mention date, mention exercise number and page number. Write the numbers in words. Draw 2 columns. The first column is numbers in figure and the second column is numbers in words. And now you will write numbers in figure and convert in words. I have done 3 numbers in words here. And you will done remaining numbers by yourself in math copy. Like this. So dear students, this is the end of today's lecture. Please complete your work before next lecture. Thank you.